Hi children, today we are going to learn 8th class second chapter linear equation in one variable in that exercise number 2.2. So before we go into learn 2.2, we should have a aware about like lines and angles and corresponding angles, alternative angles, vertically opposite angles and angles some properties of a triangles. This will help us in this exercise actually. So see that video first, then you can come to this video. Okay, that video link I will keep in the description. First we go for 2.2 first bit. 2.2 first bit. The first question, find out the x values actually in this. They have given some triangle here. Let us see. We know that one thing first, the angle sum property of a triangle. The angle sum property of a triangle is what? The sum of three interior angles. The sum of three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So here it is a C, here it is D, and here it is a B, and it is a. So let us find out the x value here. That means we need to find out this x value. Simple. See that in this triangle, what are they have given? Two interior angles are given. 1, 2, 3. There is a three interior angles, but this third one they have did not give. Okay, only two interior angles are given and one exterior angle is given. But we know that exterior angles, sum of two interior angles is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles is equal to opposite interior angles equal to exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. That means sum of two opposite interior angles is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles of a triangle is equal to exterior angle. That means this exterior angle is equal to sum of these opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is this. Opposite angles are these two. And sum of these two angles is equal to this exterior angle. This is one of the property in the triangle. So we are going to use that property here. Sum of two opposite x degrees plus 56 degrees. That is equal to what is the exterior angle? 123. Okay, 123 degrees. By which property we are doing this? Okay, exterior angle of a triangle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So this is we have got a linear equation in one variable. Let's transfer this plus 56 degrees to the RHS side, that become minus 56 degrees. 123 degrees minus 56 degrees. So simple, we need to subtract that so that we get a x value here. Okay, 13 minus 6 is 7, 11 minus 5 is 6, that is 67 degrees. Simple. This x equal to what? 67 degrees. He did not ask you to find the c, so we don't find out. So with this we have completed this problem. Very simple, but you need to understand this concept. The exterior angles of a triangle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. This we have learned in our 7th class itself. Okay, you need to be recalling our chapter once again. Or not, you refer your 7th class textbook. You can understand that. Okay, let me go for second question from this. Here they have given triangle PQR with angle P equal to 45 degrees, angle R equal to 68 degrees, and angle Q equal to 3x plus 16 degrees. Okay, 3x plus 16 degrees. We need to find out the x value here. But we know that one thing, by angle sum property of a triangle, by using angles sum property of a triangle, by using angle sum property of a triangle, sum of three interior angles equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So what are the three interior angles here? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R. Let us substitute that. Here angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees is the given triangle. What is angle P here? 45 degrees. Let us substitute here 45 degrees. Angle Q equal to what here? 3x plus 16 degrees plus angle R equal to what? 68 degrees. That equal to 180 degrees. Now we need to add it here. 45 degrees plus 16 degrees plus 68 degrees. So let us add it here. 5 plus 6 that is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. 1 carry. Here 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 129 degrees we have got it. So 3x plus 129 degrees that equal to 180 degrees. Now you got a linear equation in one variable form. Now you can find out the x value first. To get the x value we need to send first connected term. What is plus connected term? We need to transport. Then plus or minus first connected terms we need to transport. Then division, then after multiplication. Okay, multiplication connected term. This is the way of transporting terms. Here there is no minus connected term, there is a plus connected term. So we will transfer that plus 129. If you transport to the other side, that becomes minus 129 degrees. So let us here 180 minus 129. Here 10 minus 9 is 1. Here 7 minus 2 is 5. That is 51 degrees. So 3x equal to 51 degrees. Now there is no division term here. First plus or minus connected term we need to transport. There is no minus connected term, so plus connected term we will transport it. There is no division term here to transport. So next multiplication term need to be transport. Okay, what here x equal to transporting this into 3. 3 is multiplied to x. If you transport to the other side, it become a division. 3 ones are 3. 3 17s are 51. Hence x equal to 17 degrees. So we got a x value here. By using angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. By using this property, we solve this problem. And there are many questions here. Again, you can see some of the example questions like example number 3 in your textbook at page number 38. There you can see the corresponding angles and alternative interior angles. One side of the interior angles of the same side of the transversal is equal to 180 degrees. There are some questions based on which you can see in the textbook. These kind of questions very important. Many times they ask in the public examinations. To solve this kind of question, we have to watch the video which is there in the description. The link you need to tap it so that you can see the video. You get an idea that how to solve that kind of questions. I have explained that what is alternative angles, what is corresponding angles, what is vertically opposite angles and everything. Here they have given in this question, the third question now. Here they have given a triangle ABC. In that angle A is 25 degrees, angle B is x degrees and angle C is 30 degrees. So let us find out the x value here by using the same property again. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle equal to by using angles sum property of a triangle, the sum of 3 interior angles, of a triangle ABC here equal to 180 degrees. So that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. So they are already given here angle A and angle C. Let us substitute that angle A equal to 25 degrees. Angle B is x here, angle C is 30 degrees. So that equal to 180 degrees. Simple. Now 25 degrees plus 30 degrees, that is 55 degrees. X plus 55 degrees equal to 180 degrees. To get the x value, we need to transport this 55 degrees to the RHS side. Hence we get here 180 degrees minus 55 degrees. So here x value 180 minus 55 degrees is 125 degrees. Hence we got the x value, that is 125 degrees here. Yes. Now we can go for the fourth question from this exercise number 2.2, first bit, fourth question. Fourth question, that is, here they have given one triangle. Which kind of a triangle we need to find out here? See, they have given us some bonds on the exercise. Sorry, here on the line segments of a triangle. Here, what is the meaning of this bonds? That means these two sides are equal length. That means these two sides are equal length. Okay, here they are given 2x plus 7 degrees and here 45 degrees. So we need to find out the x value here. So here we need to get one more property of a triangle. The angles which are equal, the angles are equal, which is opposite to the equal side. If two sides are, this is which triangle actually? Here the bonds, this line means these two sides are equal length. These two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. In the isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal. So these two sides are equal in this sense. So how can we find out the x value then? The angles which are equal to the equal sides. Okay, which are these two sides are equal. So the opposite two angles also will be equal. This is one more important property in the triangle. The angles are opposite to the equal sides are equal. The angles are opposite to the equal sides are always equal. That means the angles which are opposite to the equal sides are always equal. That means if these two sides are equal, these two angles are equal. If these two sides are equal, these two angles are equal. Okay, if these two sides are equal, opposite angles are these two are equal. Alright, if two angles are equal, then opposite two sides also will be equal. This is the main property. If two sides are equal, then the opposite two angles are equal. If two angles are equal, the opposite two sides are equal. This is happens if and only if. So according to that property now, we can make it that these two angles are equal now, because these two sides are equal, then these two angles are equal. Let us make it the two angles here. So angle y is equal to angle z here. What is angle y here? 2x plus 7 degrees. That equal to angle z equal to 45 degrees. This 7 degrees will transport faster. 2x equal to 45 degrees minus 7 degrees. So 45 minus 7, that is 38 degrees. 38 plus 7, that is 45. So 45 minus 7 is 38. This 2 is multiplied to x. So we will transfer to the other side, that will become division. So 38 degrees by 2. 2 ones are 2, 19s are. X equal to 19 degrees. So I hope you understood this property. In any isosceles triangle or any triangle, if two sides are equal, any triangle, if the two sides are equal, then the opposite two angles are equal. If two angles are equal, then the two opposite sides are equal in length. So this you need to be remember. So the last problem of this first bit. Okay, let us solve that question also. Here, the fifth one. 3x plus 10. Here also they have given some equal bonds on the sides of a triangle. See, you can see that. That means simply they did not give that bonds. That we need to be understand that the two sides are equal. See, these two sides are equal. Okay, if these two sides are equal, what are the opposite angles here? These two angles are equal. Okay, if two sides are equal in, let me write. Okay, then in triangle AOB, in this triangle, there are two triangles here. See, AOB triangle and here triangle COD. Two triangles are there. And triangle AOB, in this triangle, What are the sides are equal? The AB side is equal to AO side. The side AB side is equal to OA side or here side OA side OA. These two sides are equal. So we can write now the angles which are opposite to the equal sides are equal. The angles which are opposite to the equal sides are always equal. So here what we get, listen, here angle B is equal to angle O, then here angle B equal to, that means angle ABO, A to B, B to O, that means this angle B is equal to this angle O. Which angle O? Here there are two angle O's, this angle O, this angle. So what? AOB, angle AOB. So angle B already we know that is 3x plus 10, that equal to angle AOB. Therefore we write here in the standard form AOB, angle AOB equal to 3x plus 10. This we got it as a 3x plus 10. But these two angles are vertically opposite angles. We know that vertically opposite angles are always equal, So angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Therefore AOB we know that 3x plus 10. So COD be also equal to, angle COD is also equal to 3x plus 10. That means see this complete process I have done to get these two answer. This is also 3x plus 10. Simple. Now you need to do it that. See here in this angle, in the triangle COD, what do we know that? See this angle is what? 3x plus 10. Here also this angle is 3x plus 10. Okay, now here we can easily do it. These two sides are equal. Then opposite two angles also equal. No? Then these two angles also will be equal. Here also should get that is 3x plus 10. How you get here 3x plus 10? Because in this triangle COD, here CO is equal to CD. These two sides are equal. So opposite two angles are equal. By using the same property again, in triangle COD, if two sides are equal, see the angles, these two angles, the angles. Here you need to write the same again. The angles which you, so this the same one, the same. The angles which are opposite to the equal sides are equal. So which angle is now here? Angle COD is equal to angle CDO. Angle COD is equal to angle CDO. C to D, B to O. This angle also will be equal. Okay, then that equal to what here? 3x plus 10. So this 3x plus 10 is equal to this because these two sides are equal, these two angles are equal. Here these two angles are equal because vertically opposite angles are equal. Now these two angles are also equal because these two sides are equal. Very simple. That is what I have done here. Nothing to be confused here. Okay. Now here, how can we find out the x value? Okay. We have done till now. In the triangle, in this triangle, see, in this triangle COD, in triangle COD, this I can write directly, but to make you understand, I have done this problem. This is the main problem now. In triangle COD, sum of three angles equal to 180 degrees. So angle C plus angle O plus angle D equal to 180 degrees. No, by using angle sum property then. So what are the three angles here? Angle C equal to 2x plus angle O equal to 3x plus 10 degrees plus angle D equal to 3x plus 10 degrees, that equal to 180 degrees. 2x plus 3x, 5x plus 3x, 8x. 8x plus 10 plus 10, 20 degrees, that equal to 180 degrees. This 20 degrees to transport this side. 8x equal to 180 degrees minus 20 degrees. Hence 8x equal to 160 degrees. This 8 to transport here, x equal to 160 degrees by 80. 8 ones are 8, 2 the 60, that is 20. X equal to 20 degrees. That is the main process, that is x equal to 20 degrees. I hope you understood this, how you got the x equal to 20 degrees here. So I hope you understood this exercise number 2.2 first bit. Okay, second question too. Again, we have 17 questions here in this exercise. We'll solve that word problems in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.